Hello everyone. Welcome back to Historical Century Channel. Currently, coffee is one of the largest trading commodities in the world. This is not surprising. The reason is, coffee has become a very popular drink among young people. This is proven by the number of coffee shops in various places. In fact, for some people, coffee is a drink that must be consumed every day. A brief history of coffee. Coffee was first discovered in Ethiopia, East Africa, in the 9th century. The person who first discovered coffee was Khaldi, a goat herder in Ethiopia. In subsequent developments, the Gallas in East Africa used coffee as food. In fact, until now some areas in Africa still eat coffee. They make food by crushing coffee beans, then adding oil. Then, the dough is shaped round and consumed immediately. Around the 15th century, the Arabs used coffee as a substitute for wine. This is done by pouring boiling water over the dried coffee beans. Another innovation made is by making drinks from roasted coffee beans. The roasting process is proven to make coffee taste better. In the 17th century, the enjoyment of coffee had arrived in Scandinavia, Northern Europe. At that time, there was an interesting story, in which King Gustav II of Sweden imposed a unique and unusual sentence for two twin brothers. They were accused of being guilty of a crime. To find out which of them was at fault, King Gustav II laid down a rule. One of them was only allowed to drink coffee for the rest of his life, while the other was only allowed to drink tea. Whoever dies first will be declared guilty. In the end, the one who died was a tea drinker, who died at the age of 83. Since then, the Swedes and Scandinavians have become coffee fanatics. Italy. At the beginning of knowing coffee, the Italian people did not develop it with innovations like the Arabs did. However, after coffee became popular, Italy opened its first coffee shop in 1645 at Bottega del Caffè. This coffee shop became a meeting place between scientists and figures in Italy at that time. This place is also the pioneer of the development of coffee shops in the world. England. In England, the first coffee house was opened by the University of Oxford in 1650 in the Lombard Street area of George Yard. However, in the end, this move was opposed by England and the women's petition against coffee was published in London in 1674. This was triggered by the caffeine present in coffee, which can make people addicted. So in 1675, King Charles II made an order to close all coffee shops. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment to this channel. Thanks for watching.